Hi guys, Conan Salmon here from LBC. Today I just wanted to do a quick video to tell you a little bit more about what sealing is and also the benefits of sealing. So here we've got your typical block pavers, and one of them has been sealed and one of them hasn't. This one here I've applied a coat of sealer, and this one here has no sealer. So this is the sealer, this is the block pave sealer that we use. Smart Seal are one of the companies, one of the suppliers that we use. And basically it's a clear protective coating that we apply to the block, and it's got several advantages. I'll do a quick demonstration and then I'll explain the advantages. So this is your standard block that hasn't been sealed. I'm just spraying some water on it. And then this is the one that's been sealed. I'm spraying some water on it. You can clearly see the difference. So the one that's been sealed, the water just stays on the surface and runs off, whereas the one that hasn't been sealed is more porous and the water goes into it. So if you can imagine, after you've cleaned your block paved driveway, and if you choose not to seal it, every time it rains the block's going to get damp and it's going to soak through as the block is very porous, and eventually over time these conditions are ideal for the growth of moss and algae. So this block is going to get dirty a lot quicker than the block that's protected will do. So the other advantages of sealing are that it's oil and water resistant. So if you're going to get an oil stain in the future, this block that's been sealed and protected is going to be a lot easier to cover. So when we seal the block, the sand jointing that's between the blocks will also be hardened. So this helps to deter future weed growth. The weeds can't get up, or the new seeds can't get down between the jointing sand as easy as they could if you didn't have any sealer. It also, in my opinion, improves the appearance of the block, and the main thing is that it makes it much easier to maintain going forward. So if you were to pressure wash the blocks and then you're going to seal this one and you're not going to seal this one's going to be dirtier a lot quicker, and it's going to be harder to keep clean, and you're likely going to need to pressure wash it to get it clean again in the future, which is bad, because pressure washing over and over again is going to damage the block. It's going to become more gritty and lose its colour. Whereas if you pressure wash it, seal it, then you can maintain it with a soft wash, which is just using a patio cleaner solution and a stiff brush and water, and you're going to be able to maintain the block and keep it looking better for longer. So I hope that's helped. In my personal opinion, I definitely advise getting your block paving sealed if you have the budget.